Hello, my dear students. We are gonna start our class in this moment. It's a pleasure for me to be here with you again. Thank you for being here with me. We are gonna continue our class. This is the second part to our class. Did you remember the last content we studied yesterday? Did you remember? That was large numbers, large number. Today, we are going to continue talking about large numbers. So it is important that you pay attention to the instructions that I'm going to give you for each activity in order you can understand how or what you are going to do. In this moment, we are going to continue working in our practice book. So please, everyone, take out your practice book. We are going to continue our activities. And in this moment, I'm going to show you my screen. I'm going to share the screen that I have here. Okay. This is the page in which we are going to continue working in this moment. Page number 18. Practice book, page number 18. Large numbers. Large numbers. This is the main content, and we are going to continue talking about. According to the first exercise, what you have to do is read the information about the planets and match. This is the information we have. Mercury diameter. Remember to practice the numbers. Mercury diameter, 4,879 kilometers. Venus, surface temperature, 480 degrees Celsius. Saturn, number of moons, 53. Uranus, distance from the sun, 2,872 kilometers. Let's do this exercise. Wait. The page is loading in this moment. Here we have. Remember, read the information about the planets and match. Uranus is what is the correct one? That is the correct option that we have in here. Uranus is. We are going to do this. Then we are going to check the answers. Don't worry. Then we are going to check the answers. Saturn has 53 moons. The diameter of Mercury is the diameter. What's the diameter? And the surface temperature of Venus is, let's check the answers. Okay. Then we have true or false. Number one, Mercury diameter 4,879 kilometers. True or false? We are gonna click on true. Then we have Venus, surface temperature 480 degrees Celsius. Okay. Saturn, number of moons, 53. Yes or no? What do you think? Uranus, distance from the sun, 2,872 kilometers. And we are going to write false. Let me see. 5 correct. This is incorrect. Let me see. This is true. And we are going to try again. Try again. We have Mercury. Diameter 4,879 kilometers. This is true. Venus, this is true. Then we have and true. As you can see, this is false. This is the correct option. False. Mercury, diameter 4,879 kilometers. That's false. Venus, surface temperature 480 degrees Celsius. That's true. This is true. Saturn, number of moons 53. This is true. And number 4, Uranus, distance from the sun 2,872 kilometers. Well, it's time to practice these numbers. We are going to practice numbers. Please, everyone, listen. Then you are going to say the numbers. Well, diameter, 4,879 kilometers. Venus, temperature, surface temperature, 480 degrees Celsius. Saturn, number of moons, 53. 53 moons. Uranus, distance from the sun, 2,872 kilometers. I'm going to close this, and we are going to continue with this information. Remember that we are talking about large numbers. It is important that you continue practicing numbers. And here we have, read the fact file and enter the equations. Neptune facts. Length of a year, 60,190 days. Distance from the sun, 4,503. Sorry, this is 4,543,443,661 kilometers. Then we have size diameter, 49,528 kilometers. Then maximum wind speed, 2,100 kilometers per hour. And the last, average surface temperature, minus 200 degrees Celsius. The first is already written here. How long is a year on Neptune? A year on Neptune is 60,190 days. What about number 2? How far is it from the sun? How far is 4? You are going to write 4 billion. 4 billion. 500. 3. 503 million 443. Remember to take notes. In 43,000 661. Here we have this information. 4,503,443,661 kilometers per hour. Kilometers per hour. Take notes. This is number 2. Then we have number 3. What is Neptune's diameter? What about the diameter? We have in here 49,000 528 kilometers. This is the answer for question number 3. What is Neptune's diameter? 49,528 kilometers. Number 4. What is the maximum wind speed of Neptune? 2,001 kilometers per hour. And the last, how hot is its surface? Minus 2, that's minus 200 degrees Celsius. Okay, these are the answers for these questions. We have 5 questions related with large numbers. Remember that we are studying something about how to write large numbers in English. I'm gonna give you some seconds in order you can complete this exercise. Try to do it and complete the activity in your practice book. In the next class, you are gonna complete these activities on your Richmond Learning platform. Remember that we have enough resources to take into account to improve our language skill. So, these are the activities for today's class. Thank you all for being here, for being participating in the class. If you have questions about the content we studied today, you can ask me in our live classes. So, my dear students, this is all for today's class. Have a nice day. Thank you for being here, and we are going to continue in the next class. Bye-bye. Take care.